10. Chop the Beauty Critic.
Can Mitchell blend eyeshadow? Hey guys, it's Andi the Beauty Critic, and in this video we'll be scoring and grading the 11319 post from Mitchell titled Butterfly Effect. Is it a beautiful butterfly, or should this butterfly revert back to its cocoon and try again? Well, I have my notes here ready to assess. You guys be sure to assess in the comment section below, and now let's get into the post. Okay, so my overall assessment of the application is it's pretty true to Mitchell's makeup aesthetic, which is heavy glam with elements of drag. This application in particular appears to be more of an eye focus. That's where most of the details are emphasized. There's also a focus on luminous, glowy skin. After analyzing the image, I will say I love his color story. A lot of people shy away from using cooler tones, and I love the fact that he embraces them in his application. Also, the blending of the eyeshadows I love. I feel as though that's Mitchell's strongest makeup elements. Being able to blend those cooler tones into those warmer tones can be a bit tricky, and I feel as though he makes it look effortless. So my biggest issues, number one, being texture. For me, the highlight looks a fool, can't really gauge the light source, whether she's coming straight on, whether she's coming from the side, I don't know. That's not naturally how light hits the planes of the face. The texture of the skin is also confusing. If you're going for luminous skin, why overset areas of the face causing some unwanted texture and cakiness? And as far as the focus, it's not necessarily clear because the skin is luminous, the eye is luminous with this warm crease, and then you have this matte cool color on the lip. The features are essentially fighting each other. I feel as though the lip should have been a bit warmer or a bit more luminous to create more of a cohesive look. Because of these factors, my score is a chop. The techniques are definitely there. I feel as though for this look, it needed a bit more planning and pulling back on the application. So yeah, that's my score for the post. In the comment section below, be sure to leave your 10 emojis if you love it, your chop if you don't, and get ready to score the next post starting now.